Today you have two oils you're going to work with. You have peppermint and wild orange. Peppermint is energizing and invigorating. It helps with focus and mental clarity. You can go ahead and put a drop of this in the palm of your hand, rub your palms together, hold them close to your nose and close your eyes and breathe in. Breathe in 3 big, deep breaths, and you will feel it opening up your airways in all directions. I like to use it when I need to get some work done because it's the perfect oil to grab when you're feeling sluggish. I grab it instead of another cup of coffee. Dealing with a headache or hot flashes, rub that peppermint on the back of your neck and over your forehead. That can really help there. Be sure not get too close to your eyes. It is strong. Now, wild orange is one of the best essential oils to uplift your mood and help with anxiety and depression. Just place a drop on the palm of your hands like I explained earlier, or rub a drop on your wrists or on the back of your neck or on the bottoms of your feet. You can also add 3 to 5 drops of wild orange to your 8 to 10 ounce glass of water for natural detoxification of the body, plus it makes your water taste amazing. I love these two in combination. Put a drop of each on the palm of your hand, breathe in, and then rub it in the back of your neck. It is the perfect pick-me-up for midday. Enjoy your wild orange and peppermint today. I can't wait to hear.